Good morning, my dear student. Today I bring how to construct a 30-degree angle. Okay, here some step that we follow to construct the 30-degree angle. You must follow this step and you can easily construct a 30-degree angle at your home. So practically we do and construct a 30-degree angle. Let's do. Good morning, my dear student. Here I am going to construct a 30-degree angle. So first we will construct 60-degree angle, then we do it bisect, right? So first we draw a line segment by using a ruler. So this is a line segment. Okay, so it is M and N, correct? Now taking M as center and any radius, drawn an arc cutting MN at O. So here we draw a arc that is, here it is O, correct? Now taking O as a center and with the same radius as before, drawn an arc intersecting the previously drawn arc at P. So without disturbing this compass, here we put and draw a arc. Now this is a arc that we drawn, that is P, correct? Now we join P and M by using a ruler and produce a line segment that is we take this one Q, right? This one Q. Now it is produce 60-degree angle that we measure by a protractor. It is a 60-degree angle, right? It is a 60-degree angle, correct? Now we bisect this 60-degree angle and produce 30-degree angle. So now we draw bisect of angle NMQ, right? Okay. So taking OP as center with radius more than half of OP, draws our arc intersecting at E, join ME. Okay, so from O is the center, we cut here, okay, and P is the center, we cut and produce a intersecting point that is E, right? That is E. Now intersecting at E, so join MN by using a ruler. Okay, now this intersecting point join ME. So this ME is a line segment. Okay, so we can write this one, thus angle NMQ is equal to 60 degree. Correct? And angle NME is equal to 30 degree. This one 30 degree, and this total it is 60 degree. Correct? Okay, so now we confirm this 30 degree by using a protractor. Yes, it is confirmed, it is produced 30 degree. Right? I hope student you understood how to construct an angle 30 degree. Right?